Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we display grid in AutoCAD in model space. To display grid in model space, what we have to do is just we have to go here and click on grid display here. As you can see, now I can see my display, and if I want to remove this grid, or the shortcut for grid display is control is F7. If you press F7, then you can also hide and unhide the grid. So this is the way you can on and off grid in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.